Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0844 indicates a dog clutch malfunction in the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. The dog clutch is a key component of the vehicle's automatic transmission system, responsible for engaging and disengaging specific gears. This issue often occurs when the dog clutch fails to properly operate, potentially causing issues with vehicle acceleration and gear shifting. Understanding this code is crucial for effective diagnosis and resolution. It's important to also consider the related DTC P170A, which indicates abnormal operation of the dog clutch and suggests that there are intermittent failures. These codes present challenges during diagnosis due to their unpredictable nature, making it essential to refer to the provided diagnostic information for accurate troubleshooting steps. DTC P0844 signifies a malfunction within the dog clutch of the automatic transmission system. The dog clutch is pivotal in controlling gear engagement, thus affecting the overall functionality of the transmission. In terms of physical location, the dog clutch is situated within the automatic transmission assembly, typically not easily accessible without removing certain components. Its primary role is to provide the necessary engagement force for gear changes, playing a significant part in the vehicle's ability to accelerate smoothly and efficiently. If this component fails, it's likely to lead to gear slipping, irregular shifting, or a total inability to change gears, ultimately impacting vehicle performance. The insights from the Diagnostic Trouble Codes point to potential faults that require immediate attention to ensure safe vehicle operation. The potential causes behind DTC P0844 primarily include dog clutch failure, electrical connection issues, and loose terminals at the transmission control module, TCM. A dog clutch failure typically results from wear or damage that prevents it from engaging properly. Moreover, electrical connection issues could arise from corroded or damaged wiring, which can interrupt communication between the TCM and the dog clutch. Loose terminals can also contribute to intermittent faults, which are difficult to isolate during diagnostics. Each of these causes can disrupt the normal operation of the vehicle's transmission system, leading to the logs of DTCs associated with the dog clutch. It is essential to systematically address these possibilities to pinpoint the exact issue affecting the transmission. Symptoms associated with DTC P0844 can manifest as gear slipping, rough shifting, or overall unresponsiveness of the transmission. Gear slipping occurs when the transmission fails to maintain its gear engagement, leading to a loss of power and acceleration. Rough shifting might be noticeable during gear changes, where the vehicle may feel jerky or harsh instead of smooth. Additionally, an unresponsive transmission reflects a complete inability for the vehicle to shift gears, leaving the driver unable to control acceleration effectively. These symptoms can range from mild to severe, based on the extent of the dog clutch malfunction. Monitoring these indicators closely helps in recognizing when to prompt further investigation, as they typically indicate underlying issues requiring prompt attention. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0844 involves turning the vehicle to on mode and using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to check for pending or confirmed DTCs. It is crucial to ensure the vehicle is in the appropriate diagnostic mode to acquire accurate data. By verifying the DTCs with the HDS, technicians can distinguish between confirmed issues and pending errors, which might still be in a testing phase. If DTC P0844 appears confirmed, this indicates that the malfunction has been duplicated, and the next recommended action is to replace the transmission. This step is essential in determining whether the problem is repeatable as ongoing diagnostics rely heavily on recognizing consistent patterns in DTC reporting. The second troubleshooting step requires a test drive of the vehicle to replicate the conditions indicated by the freeze frame data before checking for DTCs again via the HDS. This step aims to recreate the environment that may have triggered the initial malfunction, enhancing the chances of verifying the DTC's consistency. During this test drive, it is critical to replicate the operating conditions as closely as possible, whether it be specific speeds, inclines, or other factors influencing the vehicle's performance. After the test drive, the HDS should again be utilized to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. If DTC P0844 reappears as confirmed, replacing the transmission is the directed action. Conversely, if it does not appear, the situation may point to an intermittent failure, warranting further investigation into potential connection issues. Final repair verification is a crucial step after resolving the issue indicated by DTC P0844. It entails confirming that the repair undertaken has effectively addressed the malfunction. This process involves retesting the vehicle's performance under the conditions that initially caused the DTC to appear. By doing this, technicians can ensure that the original issues related to the dog clutch's operation have been rectified. If the vehicle performs smoothly without recurrence of the DTCs, then the repair can be deemed successful. However, if any irregularities or DTCs are noted post-repair, this indicates that additional troubleshooting is necessary to fully resolve the underlying problem. Verification ensures the vehicle operates safely and efficiently, providing confidence to the driver about the repair's efficacy. Preventive maintenance is essential in minimizing the recurrence of issues related to DTC P0844. Regular transmission checks help in ensuring all components, including the dog clutch, remain in optimal working condition. Technicians should inspect the condition of electrical connections periodically, looking for signs of wear or corrosion that could affect performance. Additionally, maintaining the transmission fluid at appropriate levels and changing it according to service intervals can help avoid premature wear on components. Preventive measures not only enhance the longevity of the transmission system, but also contribute to overall vehicle reliability. Proactive attention to these factors can result in fewer unexpected repairs and increased driver confidence in vehicle performance. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0844 and its implications is vital for effective transmission service in the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. Correctly identifying the symptoms connected to the dog clutch malfunction allows for targeted troubleshooting and timely repairs. The outlined steps emphasize the importance of using diagnostic tools such as the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to confirm issues and aid in verifying repairs. Regular preventive maintenance can mitigate the risks associated with this issue, ensuring a smooth operational experience. By acknowledging the components and behaviors linked to these DTCs, technicians and drivers can work collaboratively to maintain optimal performance and safety in their vehicles. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.